In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace the driver's side brake light located right here in the top of your tail light, your lower running light located in the bottom side of your tail light, your backup light located here on the inboard portion of your tail light. The process for this is the same for the passenger side. Now once you have your trunk lid open, you want to go ahead and access this wing nut right here. It's a plastic wing nut. Go ahead and spin that counterclockwise. Spin that off. Now you want to go ahead and grab that carpet liner right here. Go ahead and peel that back and pop that down. Now on the back side here, you're going to find two more of those plastic wing nuts. Let's go ahead and loosen those and remove those. We'll start with the top one first. Spin off that bottom one. We'll go ahead and grab that taillight, pull it straight away from the body. On the back side right here, it's going to be a little red locking clip. Basically going to push that over. It's going to allow you to push down on this little tab and disconnect this here. It's going to allow you to go ahead and remove the entire tail light. On the back side here is how you're going to go ahead and access your bulbs. I'm going to go ahead and grab this socket right here, twist it counterclockwise. Go ahead and pull that out. Here's your bulb right there. So you want to go ahead and grab that bulb and pull it straight out. Pop it out like so. Take your new bulb, press it straight in. You'll feel it and hear it snap into place. Insert. You're going to feel the little tabs fall into place, and then twist this clockwise until you feel it lock in, and you're all set. On the top here, you want to go ahead and grab that socket, twist that counterclockwise. Go ahead and pop that out. Grab that bulb, pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, insert that in, press it in. You'll feel it and hear it snap into place. You want to go ahead and line up these tabs on the back side with the notches here on the assembly itself. And then twist it clockwise, and you feel it lock into place. On the bottom portion here, you want to go ahead and grab that socket and twist that counterclockwise. Go ahead and pull that bulb out. Grab the bulb in the socket and pull away from each other, separating the unit. Go ahead and take your new bulb, line that up, press it in. You'll feel it and hear it snap into place. You want to go ahead and line up these tabs on the bottom portion of your taillight assembly. And then turn it clockwise. You'll feel it lock into place. Take that harness on the back. You want to press that in, snap that in, and don't forget to lock that red lock tab. Press it over. Go ahead, insert this back into the body, lining up the studs in the holes in the body. With the taillight back in place, you can go ahead and take those plastic wing nuts and get these installed. We're going to install our lower one first, spin that on and bottom it out. Let's go ahead and get our upper one installed. Go ahead and bring our trunk liner back into place, and then take your wing nut here, install that. Snug it down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.